Now I'll scroll up slightly on my page, and then on the left-hand side, click on Image Banner. Back on the right-hand side, I want to change the first image. To do this, I'll click on Select, and I'll find a good quality lifestyle mockup image that I imported from Printify. I'll select this image and click on Done. As you can see, that lifestyle mockup image has loaded in here. Back on the right-hand side, I want to change my banner height from large to small. Then I'll go down to Image Behavior, and I'll change this from None to Fixed Background Position. Now, when I scroll down on my website, you'll see that it reveals more of the image I chose. Lastly, for my image banner, I want to change the text that's in my heading. To do that, I'll hover over this and click into it. And then on the right-hand side, I'll change this to read 10% off sale now. And I'll change my heading size from large to medium.